play for the All Blacks, but for me, I was watching rugby, watching Fiji. Haereiti Hetet was probably one of my favourite players growing up, so yeah, that made me want to play for Fiji. It was just a matter of who was going to knock on the door first, and it was Fiji. So, you know, getting out there and playing is probably the best bit. You know, you're working in New Zealand, so you don't really want to work, but once you play rugby as your job, you know, you can't go backwards from there really. It's probably one of the best jobs in the the atmosphere is unreal, you know, you don't really get that in New Zealand anymore. But yeah, it was too good. Everything, you know, when you're tired, you just hear the crowd. If we have the ball, even with big hits, the crowd is like our 16th man on the field. Yeah, that's everything to us, and we're playing for them. So when I got injured, I was named on the bench against Scotland, and then it was the last training before we were playing, and I ruptured my bicep tendon, distal, so down by the elbow. Yeah, ruptured it, and I didn't think too much of it. I thought it was just a tear in my bicep, but finished training and then went and see the physio, and they said, they took me for the MRI, and then yeah, it was fully ruptured from the bone. So had surgery over there in Ireland. Then yeah, it was just a waiting game until I could get back into training. But I just learned a bit more about myself. I probably just took every day as it came, and as I got closer to return, I was starting to get itchy feet. But you know, it was a long process, 5 months or something, 5+ months, and yeah, it was just taking the small wins over a big amount of time, accumulated into the comeback. So I was happy. I'm happy to be back.